it's Sierra and welcome back to my channel! Woo, woo, woo! Oh my gosh, guys, it's our first. Let me get it together. I'm all excited. Girl, relax. What are we gonna call it? Guys, what are we gonna call it? Fun Day Fridays? You guys give me something really cute and really fun to call it, but I think it should be something with the word fun in it, okay? We're ending the week off with fun. And as you can see by the title, brushes are not allowed. So I'm gonna do my entire face using nothing but my quarantine nails and hands. I want to get right into it because I'm kind of excited about this. I really think that I might be able to do good with this. However, I'm very nervous about the eyebrow situation and the eyelash application situation. Everything else I think I might be able to handle. First, let's put some chapstick on because you are looking dry. We have used her to her last. Can I get more? Can I get some more out of you? No. That's it. She's done. She's out of here. So, you know what? I say let's get the hardest thing out of the way first. Let's get brows done. I don't have a hair clip. We're just gonna put it. Girl. It's Friday and I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you guys are waiting on because, I mean, we're having a ball over here. I don't know about you and whatever other channels you watch, but over here, we have a ball over here, okay? Guys, let's get serious and stop playing around, okay? I know we're having fun, but we need to get serious because these brows are gonna be a situation, okay? So I'm gonna go into this contour kit that I don't really like, but this brown color, the deepest color, looks like it could be. Let's just work with it. See, I don't have nails. If I had nails, this would be so much easier. Where are the claws when you need them? Do you guys have faith in me? Write it down in the comments that you have faith in me, okay? Because I know somebody right now is going, girl, this looks like it's finna be a hot mess. Maybe. Next, I'm just gonna throw on some foundation. What I'm really excited about is going ahead and cleaning up these brows with my foundation. Priming my eyes. Come on. Oh, my camera's about to die. How? How, Sway? Okay, so let's get this done because we literally have about 10 minutes and this camera is going to die. How do you feel? I think it looks good. Okay. Next, we're gonna do concealer. Oh, shh. Did you see what I was about to do? Oh! Whoa! Somebody forgot that was a challenge, didn't we? Quick. We literally totally forgot this was a challenge. Fast. Okay. Put some on our forehead, down our nose. Okay, that looks good. Let's bronze. Guys, I think I'm doing pretty good. What do you think? Guys, you remember this Black Radiance palette? It was so good. It still is so good. I totally forgot about it. Now we have to do blush. So I'm gonna use the Glossiers. These are so freaking good. If you guys have ever tried them, they're so good and they last for freaking ever. I apply this with my hand all the time, so this is nothing new. Oh, I'm starting to really like this look. I think it's looking very flush and very cute. I want it to be very like nice, natural, you know, cutesy, bootsy. That looks really cute. Do we even need highlighter? I feel like this look, I don't even want to put a highlighter on. I mean, I guess it's a challenge, so I guess I should. Okay, I'm gonna throw on some highlighter. Bring it down the nose. Okay. Girl, oh, we need some eyelashes and some, girl, let me put my eyelashes on. I ain't messing with y'all. Watch this. Need to find some eyelashes real fast that don't look haggard. I only need to find. This is gonna be hard. Oh, see, I'm not the eyelash putter oner with the finger. Oh gosh. How do you guys put lashes on with your hands? How do y'all do that? Okay, that one was easier. Oh, let's wait for it to dry, okay? And while we're waiting for it to dry, let's put on a lipstick. This is actually a blush that I always use as a lipstick. That's not doing enough. Go in with a gloss. Girl. All right, now let me get this glue off of my eyes. Girl, hold on a second. Ugh. Okay, guys, I got off as much glue off of my eyes as I could. It's gonna be how it's gonna be, okay? I could go outside like this. Guys, it's done. I think I did pretty good. Let me zoom you in. Okay, my eyelashes might be looking like they're gonna fall off, but other than that, like, I think I did pretty good. Like, oh, you know what we forgot? Freaking eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, guys. How did you let me forget that? How did you let me forget that? We're gonna do real simple. Cute. Little glitz, little glam on the inner. Okay, guys, so my eyeshadow, my eyeshadow is haggard. Girl, my eyeshadow. What we have learned in this lesson is that you cannot do your eyeshadow, honey, with your fingers. It's not your journey. Don't do that. But the rest of it, I think, came out okay. What do you guys think? Ignore the eyeshadow. But what do y'all think? I think I did okay. Anyway, drag me in the comments if you want to. I thought it was a fun challenge. Oh my gosh, I think you guys should try it. Tag me in it if you do. I would love to see you guys in my next video. Peace